Welcome to the MyConnect tutorial. MyConnect is a powerful tool that you can use to keep informed about what's going on at your child's school. With both a website and a smartphone app, MyConnect lets you keep your contact info up to date, as well as set your preferences for how you wish to be contacted. There are two types of MyConnect. One is closed, which requires that you associate yourself to an existing contact already loaded into the institution. The other is open, which allows you to sign up to receive messages from that institution without regard to your association with the institution. This video is about closed MyConnect sites, which is the most common type for K-12 school districts. In this video, we will cover creating a MyConnect login, associating yourself with your student, entering your contact information, specifying the message types you wish to receive, setting preferences for the phone numbers and email addresses you want to receive those messages on, and viewing previously sent messages. Let's begin. Your student's school will provide you with the URL for their MyConnect site. It is different for every institution. Once you're there, you'll want to click Sign Me Up to create your account. Note that MyConnect offers universal login, so once you've created a login for one MyConnect site, it will work for all other MyConnect sites. Enter the information requested, accept the terms and conditions, and click Continue. Now go check your email. You will have a message from No Reply that contains a unique URL. When you click the link in the message, it will take you to answer 3 security questions. Answer the questions and click Save. You will get a message saying that your account has been activated. Click Login on the right, then enter the email address you just registered with along with the password you chose. Then click Login. You will get a pop-up that lists at the top the next 4 steps. First, we have to find your student. The screen is asking you for the identification code for the contact you wish to associate yourself with. This is the ID number for your student, which the school should have provided you. Enter the number and then click Submit. Now enter a phone number or email address that is already on file at the school for that contact. If everything was entered correctly, you should see your student's name appear. Select your relation to the student from the drop-down box and then click Associate. Next, you will see all of the phone numbers and email addresses that are on file for that student. You can check off the ones that are yours and then click Next. We are now on step 2, Tell us about yourself. The screen lists the phones and emails you selected on the previous page, and here you have the opportunity to add new ones by clicking the buttons above. You can also add a street address. Let's add one of each. I'll click Add Phone. I type in the numbers. Select whether it is home, work, or mobile, and check off whether it can receive voice, text, or both, and then click Save. Now I'll click Add Email, type in the email address, and click Save. Lastly, I'll click Add Address. I'll type in my street address and click Next. This shows me a map with a pin dropped at where the software thinks that address is located. You can drag and drop the pin to a more precise location if it is a little off. You can switch to satellite view by clicking this icon and zoom in using the tool on the left. When you are satisfied with the pin's location, click Save. You can only add one street address, so the Add Address button is now grayed out, but I could add more phones and emails if I wanted. There is a max of 10 phones and 10 emails. When you are done entering your contact information, click Next to continue to your subscriptions. Here you see the message categories you can subscribe to. Outreach are basic calls about event reminders and the like. Attendance calls notify you if your child is marked absent. If your school has set up any other types of calls, they will be listed here. This institution has a category for the Gifted program. If you want to subscribe to it, check the box. Note that there are two levels of subscriptions, one for the school and one for the district. You may notice that the emergency box is grayed out. You cannot deselect it individually. However, if you wish to opt out of everything, you can uncheck the top level and it will uncheck all message categories. You cannot subscribe to a regular category unless you also subscribe to emergency calls. We recommend that you subscribe at the very minimum to emergency calls at both the district and the school level. When you are done setting your subscriptions, click Next. Now we're on the last step, setting your preferences. Note that you are automatically opted in via email for the message types you selected. If you wish to continue receiving phone calls and/or text messages for those message types, click the Edit link on the right and check off the phone numbers you wish to be contacted on. You can customize this as much as you want. For instance, perhaps you want outreach messages on your home phone, but you want attendance messages on your cell phone. You cannot edit preferences for emergency messages. You will be contacted on all the phone numbers and email addresses available for emergency messages. When you're finished, click Done at the bottom right. If at any time in the future you wish to edit your preferences, go up to your name on the top right and click Subscriptions. Click Edit next to any subscription you'd wish to modify, and check off the desired numbers and addresses, and click Save. If you want to add a new message type you had previously excluded, click the Manage Subscriptions tab to add it. If you ever need to update your contact information, you can click Contact Information in the top right and edit any phone number by hovering and clicking the pencil icon. You can also reach this page from the home page and clicking Edit Contact Information. Let's look at the home page. Now that you are associated with a student, if any messages have been sent to you, you can see them on the left. Click the phone icon to listen to the phone message.
Hello parents, this is a reminder that spring break is April 1st through 5th. Please have an enjoyable and safe vacation, and we will see you back at school on April 8th.
Click the envelope to read the email, and click the smartphone to read the SMS text message. This concludes the MyConnect training video. Thank you for watching.